Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Cats theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. So search for the Instagram and click on that, and you need to update your Instagram application by clicking on this update. So once you complete that step, you need to go back and log in into your Instagram account. So once you log in, click on the messenger icon on the top right and select any conversation. So I'm going to select this one. Click on the person name on the top, click on theme, and from here you need to select cats. So once you select, wait for few seconds, and now you can see that cats theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.